Hi, my name's Scotty Stopnick. We're here in my garage in Huntington Beach, California, and this is basically my life. Surfing, skateboarding, building motorcycles, riding them, crashing them. Just kind of, it's turned into an obsession, I guess. I don't like to, I guess I don't really like to say I'm addicted to anything, but I guess it's an addiction of just old junk. You know, kind of just buying a lot of junk at swap meets and stuff that kind of makes my brain want to explode. And I don't know. I guess this is it, but it's
So what do you job, man? What kind of job are you doing?
my job is basically it's just kind of it's just surfing and skateboarding and riding motorcycles, and I've got a couple companies like Hurley and Creature, tail pads and Stance socks, and a lot of funny different Captain Finn, like all sorts of different little sponsors, but they've kind of supported me and almost like a lifestyle sponsor of just surfing, skateboarding, riding motorcycles, and it's kind of turned into my job. So pretty stoked on being able to wake up in the morning and get a surf and skate, ride motorcycles, and I've got make some money out of it. You know, I'm not rich, but it pays the bills and stuff like that. So.
Now you're supposed to love me, and if